Hello, today I'm going to do the leaves. I'm going to try and show you the way I do them anyway. I've actually missed most of the leaves now. I've been too busy really to do a video on it. When they first really started coming down, all I was doing for oh Dewey, sorry about that, bad timing. So when they're really coming down, this is my pile here that I've been making. This is all just from the front. I've got a different pile around the back that I've been building up. But yeah, when they all come down, it's all systems go for me. Everything is can't do anything else but clear the leaves, and I just didn't really have a chance to film it. So today I'm going to try and show you how I do it. I mean, there's no real science to it. It's just pick them up in the way that suits you best, you know, and we'll see how we get on. So the way I like to do the leaves is I go round, I blow all the leaves in off the drive as best as I can, because it's fairly windy today. We've been hit by a couple of fairly blustery sort of storms, so I'm not going to chase the leaves around. If they're blowing all the different directions, I'm not going to worry too much. What I should do is just get the ones that are on the lawn. I basically just cut as I have been throughout the season. I don't do anything any different. I showed you the pile that I've been making. I mean, I don't mulch them up because I don't really have to. A quick tip, don't even attempt to try and blow against the wind. You've got to basically blow whichever way the wind is going for you. I tend to find that this garden here normally tends to come across, so the wind will come across like this until I get to this area here where there's opening in the gate, and then it blows down towards the house. So really, just try your best. All I'm trying to do is get it onto the lawn, so that any of the leaves onto the lawn, so that I can easily mow them. You know, I'm not trying to blow them all into one big heap or anything like that. Get them on the lawn. I mean, you can see, look, they're even now so windy today, they're blowing all over the place. So get them onto the lawn quick as you can, get the mower started, and start picking some of them up. Some of you might think that leaf clearance is like a pain in the arse, and it really is, because this is all I've been doing the last month or so. Every day is the same. You come in, mow up leaves, everything's heavy, but just look at it as like the final bonus before Christmas, you know, because after Christmas things really do quieten down. I'll do a video one time soon as how I sort of survive through the winter time. I still garden, but it's obviously a lot tougher. So I'll do a video on that in the future. And yeah, back to leaves. So typically, get some time to do a video for you and get halfway through it and the rain just started to pour down. Hopefully it won't delay me for too long, but I just thought I'd take a chance just to say about future videos coming up. I'm going to try and keep my content coming for you, but I've struggled the last couple of weeks just because everything's been so busy. It takes so much longer to do jobs at the minute. I'm still cutting grass because grass is still actively growing, and there's a squirrel, sorry. So yeah, grass is still actively growing. It's been around 10-12 degrees in our area. This weekend's supposed to go right down. It's supposed to get to sort of freezing, so that will probably stop the grass from growing altogether, go into dormancy. So I will try to keep content coming for you. We'll just have to see how things go. A few videos I want to do for you is a yearly review of all the tools I use. So I want to just sort of let you know what tools I use throughout the year and how I rate them, you know, how well they work. And also I want to do a thank you video. I'm going to do that around Christmas time, like a little shout out thank you video for just anyone that's, you know, given me some nice comments or, you know, help my channel to grow. We've just hit 100 subscribers, which I'm well pleased with. I would never have thought 100 people would want to see what I'm doing, but no, I thank every one of you, and I will do a special video for that. But hopefully the rain will stop and I can get out and clear the rest of these leaves, because there's still a lot here. mostly got them up from here. There's a few more to pick up, but this is what I'm going to get up against. Yeah, see, I work right next door to a pub. Right next door to a pub. And someone right now is having a steak over there, and I can smell it coming across, and that's just not fair. I want to put a complaint in. You know, I mean, they could at least bring something over. I mean, a pint or something like that would be right nice about now. Oh, I'd love a beer, but we crack on. Got this side mostly all done. Middle's basically clear. So basically again, sorry. And now I've got this side. Now what tends to happen now is the wind will change and blow all these leaves all over the place where I've just done tidied. So let's get them up as quick as we can. See how we go. So I'm all done. Now, if you can see this, this is the final outcome. This is how it all looks. I couldn't quite get to show you as much of this lawn over here as I wanted to because my battery ran out on my phone. So unfortunately, you just get to see the aftermath. This is acceptable for me. I'm quite happy the way this turns out, and this is what I tend to do most weeks. And you can see my pile has grown a fair amount. Let's have a look. There you go. Big pile. I'll be adding to that. Oh, good one. Just block everything off. So we are off. We're done for the day. Thank you very much for watching. Hope it all comes across all right. Junie, up, up. Come on, Bubs. Come on, we're going home. Up, up, up. She is the most obedient dog you could ever ask for. She does everything I ask her first time. Up, up then. Good girl, good puppy. So hopefully you picked up something from this video. So there's no right or wrong way. If you don't have the leaf blower, then just go around with your rake and rake them into piles. But I really suggest that you do it often. You know, once a week. You know, once you've left those leaves too long on the ground and they start getting wet and they get heavy to pick up, and it makes the job even harder to do. So videos in the future, as I say, I am going to get round to do that hedge for you. I've done that in part 1, and I will do a part 2, but it's going to be in January because these leaves and everything else will take me up to Christmas to continue to tidy. There's not too many in the trees over that side, but over this side there's still plenty to come down, and there's always something to do. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you're all well, and yeah, stay busy, and yeah, be good. See you soon. Bye bye.